Hey everybody, how are you? Happy July 2nd. I can't believe we're in July already, and Pride Month is over with, but we're still continuing Pride for the rest of the year. But I have just pulled this out, my bag for the summer when I go. Mostly I'm using this at the Dunes Resort in Douglas, Michigan at the pool, but I got all my stuff to keep me good. I gotta show you this. I have my towel clips. So I got my bag ready for the summer. And that's kind of the post right now, is where you're finding your community for this summer. And I'm talking about the LGBTQ+ community. We're going, into the July 4th weekend. And I know people are not feeling so free or not feeling so wonderful about America. And we got to keep plugging away and having hope. Rise up, be resilient, and find community. And I think now more than ever, we need that. And I know for me, I work on that all the time. And you may say, well, Greg, that's easy for you. You're in Chicago. There are some more options probably in Chicago if you're not here and you're in rural America. And what I'm suggesting for you that I've done over the years, I'm a small town boy from Michigan. And I get it. And, I lived in Petoskey, Michigan, northern Michigan for a long time. And there are pockets of your allies being with you and the LGBTQ+ community being there. So my suggestion is for you, go online. We're all savvy on the computer, I hope, and look up where you can find your community. Where can you go? Where can you enjoy the summer and bring people together? And if you can't find that, create it. Create community, your potlucks, dinners, going out, movie groups, running groups, exercise, going to the beach, going to the pool, whatever you do, but find a sense of community and bring people in. And community, I'm not just talking about the LGBTQ+ community, I'm talking bringing your allies in to it as well. I love my allies out there. Our allies are shakers, our movers, everything else, along with the rest of our community. So my community, I have, again, different pockets here that I go to here in Chicago, but in the summer, I love getting away about 2.5 hours away to the Dunes Resort, which is located in Douglas, Michigan. And I have found a great friend base just hanging out by the pool, dancing, seeing the cabaret acts at the dunes, going out for a good meal or breakfast or brunch or coffee, whatever it may be. And that's my sense of community and being involved, especially with Christmas in July coming up. I'm spearheading our little parade that walks out on the dance floor and getting community get together. And a lot of people love that. So that's what I do. And I'm there a couple of times during the summer. And that's my jam. That's my thing to do, along with some other events and just things on my own that I do with friends. So what I'm telling you, look around your state, look around where you're at, and take a day, take a weekend trip, plan something on your own. If there's nothing, you say, oh, there's nothing to do. Plan something on your own. You may be really surprised at what you come up with. The summer is faced with a lot of challenges, but a lot of goodness. And right now we need a lot of goodness. And as we're going into the 4th of July, we're talking about freedom. We're talking about extending Pride for the rest of the 11 months. And we got to do that all together. So I'm wishing you a great 4th of July weekend. It's a hot one, been a hot one here in Chicago, Illinois. Very hot weekend. And very hot week we've had. So if you're looking to check out the Dunes Resort, and I'm not getting any perks or anything from this, I'm just telling you what's worked for me, and I love it. With my friends and other people I've met there, check out this URL for the Dunes Resort, located Saugatuck, Douglas area in the west side of Michigan. A lot to do, great community, great things to do, along with other places. So check them out. Campit, if you're into camping, go to Fennville, Michigan for camping and that sense of community that they have there. And they have events going on, honey, every weekend at Campit. And here's the URL for Campit. Friends that go there, that's every year I say I need to go and spend some time there. I need to do that because I would enjoy that. I'm more of a glamper than a camping kind of guy because I did that younger. So, and there are options there as well, by the way. So, have a great weekend. I hope this has helped a little bit. If you need to reach out to me, please do so, and I can guide you to the right resources. And, it's all about reaching out and uplifting the community, right? So please subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. Happy 4th. Keep cool if it's really hot where you're at. Be with friends, family, chosen family, and I will see you on Monday. Thanks for checking in. I'll see you soon. Bye.